Okay, nandito kami sa Hoodoo ngayon. At ito, nag-enjoy itong mga kasama ko. At tayo ay pupunta roon sa taas. People are going to the restricted area. Maybe I'll go here. This is what they call the Hoodoo Trail. You see? These are unique grounds, as you could see. Very, very unique. Okay. There. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, yeah, there they are. Yeah, look at that, I'll go up there as far as I can. So beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, we'll go down. It certainly is. Okay, as you could see, a lot of people in here. Yeah. Yes. Oh, the landscape is different. Quite different than the Banff. Iba mga kabayan, talagang kakaiba. Kakaiba talaga ito. Nakikita ninyo. Yeah. Alright, as you could see, the ringles are beautiful. They are enjoying that gorgeous, beautiful day. Yeah. Ito mga kabayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Yeah, makikita ninyo roon. Okay. Oh boy, so beautiful indeed. Yes. Those are some of the mountains. But, yeah, makikita ninyo. That's the highway. And here, ito makikita ninyo, no, the Red Deer River Valley formed as glaciers melted rapidly at the end of the last ice age 10,000 to 15,000 years ago. As the ice melted, it stripped the landscape exposed the late Cretaceous sediments of the beautiful and Horseshoe Canyon formation. Yeah. Look at that, huh? Oh, meron pang nagdala ng bike over there. You could not see this in so many places, no? I don't know how it was formed. They call it hoodoo, you know. Oh, look at that. See? Oh boy, that's extremely. But some people, they managed to climb up to there. Oh, look at that. Let me see if I could take a snapshot of myself using this GoPro. Sige nga, tignan ko lang, ha? Okay, let me see. Nandito ako ngayon. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hoodoo Trail. Ito makikita ninyo sa likod ko. Kakaiba, no? Ang itsura, no? Ang shape nitong lupa, itong kabundukan, no? Tinawag nilang Hoodoo Trail ito, no? And you could see, you know, there are some what you call different wrinkles, you know, pinagdaanan ng tubig siguro, ano. Yan, makikita nyo. But probably this a little bit clayey, kaya hindi siya basta-basta na-erode, ano. Yeah, not unless there's a strong water cascading from top. Gawa nung pag nag-winter dito, balot din ng snow ito. Yan siguro, no. So over time, yan, nawawasaut yan dito, no. Pababa, yan. So yan siguro itong mga bato, no, na makikita niyo rito sa baba, yan. Okay, so I'm going down. I just went up a little bit, yan. Yan, no. There's evidence of sedimentary rocks, you know. May layer siya. I think in different time, you know. Thousands of years, you know. Yeah, sabi nga nila millions of years, but we don't know how old the earth is actually, you know. Because biblically, I think more than 7,000 years. Okay. Alright, so yan, no, makikita ninyo yun yung there's a what you call a depression, okay, dito sa pagitan. So mas malamang mas malakas ang agos dito, no? So hindi pa rin na uubos yung mga lupa dyan. Actually parang yun, nagkabutas na roon. So sa ilalim na yung nai-erode siguro, no? And I'm not sure how far is that, you know? So yeah. Okay. Okay, so makikita nyo yan, no? Okay, may konting depression dyan, no? Parang naukap dito. Yan. Okay, so but of course I don't want to go high up there, no? Kasi high touching area ito, no? So I want to avoid touching surfaces here, no? As much as possible, you know? Not unless I could not avoid, you know, to support myself. Yan. So yeah, that's, we'll just take a look from a distance. So yan, makikita niyo, if I'll put into close up, no, yan, no. Yan, para siyang clay. Hindi naman siya pulang lupa, no? Medyo mamula-mula kaunti. Yeah, probably. Kasi alam natin yung pulang lupa, that's the one that is sticky, ano? Oh. Ito, iba na namang korte ito. Makikita nyo, mga ka-tribe. Yeah. It's a different shapes. Okay. At dito, just as I mentioned before, ayan o, may mga depression, but some structure remains. Not until na ma-erode siguro yung dito sa bottom, sa base, hanggang mag-collapse siya, no? So this is a huge area actually, you know. This is just a small portion. Itong pinuntahan ko. I did not even go on that side because too many people there. Yeah. So if I'll pan it again, you could see, huh? Oh, there. That beautiful, unique wrinkles of the mountain surface, mountainside, as you would say. Yeah. Because on top, if you could see, you know, there are some grass that are growing over there. Mayroon din, you know. But once the surface is eroded, the layer, sub-layer, which is the sedimentary rock, you know, sediments that had been stuck, piled over hundreds if not thousands of years, you know. Yeah, no, so you could see different era, you know, because the bottom layer, you could see that they look the same, you know, a little bit lighter, okay, medyo mas light ang kulay niya, you know. But the succeeding one ay dark and then light and then dark again and then light, you know. So it's very unique, ano, parang and stripe siya na nakaganon, ano. Yeah, as you could see there, yeah. Yeah, what a sight to behold, yeah. Yeah, makikita nyo talaga, ayan, oh, yung dark na yan, oh. Sa baba niya light, okay, and then again another dark, okay? And then light again, even here, and then again another dark, you know, brown. So, and that goes, you know, even on higher level. Yeah, yeah, parang alternate siya. So hindi kayo nainip ha, talaga ha? So nag-enjoy kayo?
Yes.
Oh yes, alright. So,
Abaron.
oh.
Ibang atmosphere ito.
Oo nga, napakaganda. Ibang view, yes, really.
Oo, iba naman. Kailangan natin ng ganyan.
Yeah. Yeah. It's refreshing kahit nasabihin natin hindi siya mapunong kahoy, which we have on the other side. Pero unique ito, nakita mo talaga, kakaiba. And people are even risking themselves, you know,
there.
to go up, high up there, you know. You see the young ones there?
18.
Look at that. This is our first time to come to this trail. Look at that, oh. Napicturean na ba niyo itong mga to? Yeah. Look at that, guys, huh? It's unique. Okay. Yeah. It's so unique. Yeah. You see that? They call that hoodoos. Hoodoos are eroded pillars of soft sandstone rock topped with a resilient cap. The cap protects the softer rock underneath from eroding as quickly as the surrounding rock. Once the cap deteriorates, the pillar is more vulnerable to the elements and subjected to rapid deterioration. The image below shows a rock formation that will one day become the protective cap of a majestic Buddha. Oh, okay. So this rock. You see that one? Okay, so yeah.
Natanggap niya na? Oo, natanggap niya.
Alright.
Hindi, yung itong pinanadala ka na.
Okay. Oh, nice. So
Drumheller ka mo.
guys, we are here, you know. enjoying the beauty of Hoodoo Trail, you know. Yeah, Hoodoo Trail.
Yeah.
Diba? Napakaganda, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's relaxing.
Nag-enjoy sila.
Relaxing.
Guys, yeah, good. We went up there, you know. We're doing vlogging. Is it okay if I switch this on while we are talking?
Yeah, but I got customers coming, sir.
How much is this one, my friend?
Taco,
Yeah, choco taco.
$4.
Huh?
$4.
$4. Okay. Is that good?
Very
Good.
tasty.
Very tasty. Okay. Give me one.
Yeah, one.
They don't like ice cream, those ladies, you know. One is allergy with lactose, you know. Okay. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Alright, keep it. Alright.
Wow, how sweet naman. Hindi mo na-ingit si Virgie. Matanda.
Paano? Pinagalitan kami. Kala niya. Agawan namin yung...
Ayun po ulit isang truck.
Ay, nakita niyo, ano? Ang gwapo pala ng boyfriend noon. Sabi niya.
Ang galit ang kami ni Virgie. Gulat kami.
Kalaking mo pa nga yun. Lagayan ng mantika. Mga pa ganun. Pwede mo rin.
Tama si George. Yung lalagyan ng mga ng Windex. Yung bote na yun, hinahati niya sa, kasi marami akong boots, di ba? Bibili ko yung para tatayo yung boots ko, hindi yung nababali. Nakasara ko pag nababali yung boots ko. Gusto ko nakatayo. Ginawa niya, naisipan niya, kinat niya yung Windex na ano. Tapos nilagay lang yung tape. Yun na ngayon ang mga nakasaksak sa boots ko.
Nakabili.